So today's topic is equation of the tangent plane to the sphere. It is the equation of the sphere at the point x1, y1, z1 on it. Say equation of the tangent plane. Tangent plane means it is the locus of the tangent lines. What is the equation of the tangent plane? This is the sphere here. This is the sphere. Equation of the tangent plane is it is the locus of the tangent line to the sphere. So to derive this equation of the tangent plane, first we find equation of the tangent line. We first find equation of the tangent line. At the point x1, y1, z1, we find the tangent line. What do you mean by tangent line? First we suppose that first I explain the procedure, then I derive that one. First we find out, or first we write equation of the line passing through x1, y1, z1. And suppose that that line intersects the sphere at 2 points. And when that line becomes the tangent line, first we consider a line through the point x1, y1, z1. Then we take any arbitrary point on that line. And that line intersects the sphere at 2 points. But using that 2 points are coincident, we derive the condition for the line to become the tangent line. Then locus of that tangent line is the tangent plane. That is the procedure. So what is the first step? First is say equation of the tangent plane to the sphere at the point x1, y1, z1 on it. Since x1, y1, z1 lies on 1 or lies on the sphere, on the given sphere, x1, y1, z1 lies on the sphere, we have x1 square, y1 square, z1 square, 2ux1, 2vy1, 2wz1 plus d is equal to 0. Take this as 1. This as 1. Now we find the point of intersection of the line passing through x1, y1, z1 and having direction ratios or direction cosines proportional to LMN is, first we write the equation of the line. What is that? X minus x1 upon L is y minus y1 upon m is z minus z upon n. What is this? This is the line passing through x1, y1, z1. Any point passing through x1, y1, z1. But x1, y1, z1 lies on this sphere. Therefore, this line pass through x1, y1, z1 and we take any point on this line. What is that? Any point on this line is LR plus x1, MR plus y1, NR plus z1. Because, say, how to take arbitrary point on the line? We take this is equal to R and x is x1 plus R. What is y? MR plus y1 and z is NR plus z1. Now this is the point of intersection of the line and the sphere. Point of intersection of the line and the sphere. Now the value of R. Now we require value of R. Value of R are the roots of the equation. Now we substitute this in the equation of the sphere. What do you get? LR plus x1 whole square plus MR plus y1 whole square plus NR plus z1 whole square plus 2u into x1 plus LR plus 2v into y1 plus mr plus 2w into z1 plus nr plus d is equal to 0. Say this is the point of intersection of the line and the sphere. But how to obtain r? R is obtained by substituting this value in the equation of the sphere. Then it is quadratic equation in R that gives two values of R. Two values of R that I simplify and explain further. Now this is a quadratic equation in R and we simplify like this. How to simplify? It is, what are the coefficient of R square? L square plus m square plus n square into R square. We rewrite this as quadratic equation in R. We rewrite this as quadratic equation in R and that gives two values of R, and substituting we get 2 point of intersection. But further we assume that the 2 point of intersection must coincide. That gives the condition for the line to become tangent line. Therefore first we express this as a quadratic equation in R plus, what is the coefficient of R? Coefficient of R is 2 into Lx1 My1 Nz1 plus Ul plus Vm plus Wn. This is the coefficient of R. Plus one more term is that. What is that? This is constant term x1 square. See this term x1 square, y1 square, z1 square, 2ux1, 2vy1, 2wz1 plus d is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in R which gives two values of R. Correspondingly we get 2 point of intersection. But say from 1 this is 0. x1 square, y1 square, z1 square, 2ux1, 2vy1, 2wz1 plus d is 0. Refer 1 because x1, y1, z1 lies on this sphere. So this is 0. So therefore this one value of R given by this equation is 0. Since this term is 0, it becomes R into L square plus M square plus N square into R plus 2 into Lx1 My1 Nz1 plus Ul Vm plus Wn plus is equal to 0 because I take this as 0. This is 0 because x1, y1, z1 lies on the sphere. This is 0. So by taking R common we simplify the equation like this. But what is one value of R? One value of R is 0. One value of R0 gives that x1, y1, z1. Say one value of R gives, what is this? Point of intersection of the line and the sphere. One value of R is 0 because from this equation. Then we get x1, y1, z1 as point of intersection of the line and the sphere. But other value of that point of intersection, two values of point of intersection are there. This gives two values of point of intersection, 2 point of intersection. But one point of intersection, because of this R is 0, we get x1, y1, z1 only. But for other point of intersection also must coincide with x1, y1, z1. Then that line becomes tangent line. What is the condition for this? For that, one R is 0 and another value for also must be 0. Now study this equation. When another value of R is also 0, now I remove this one. Now one value of R becomes 0, we get this equation. But from this equation we should get another value of R also 0. When it is possible? This is possible if Lx1, My1, Nz1 UL VM plus WN is equal to 0. WN is equal to 0. Or further we can simplify like this, because x1 L plus x1 into L plus or x1 plus U, I simplify this, x1 plus U into L, y1 plus V into M plus z1 plus W into N is equal to 0. What is this? This is condition for the other point of intersection also to coincide with x1, y1, z1. This is the condition. And this is the condition for the line to become tangent line to the sphere. This is the condition for the line to become tangent line to the sphere. What is the line? X minus x1 upon L is y minus y1 upon M is z minus z1 upon N is, and we have taken this as R. Whether we have given number, yes, it is 1. This is 1. Or this is 2. Sorry, this is 2. Take this as 3. So written. What is 1? x1 square y1 square 2u x1, that is 1. Equation of the line passing through x1 y1 z1 is 2. Now this is the condition for the 2 point of intersection of this line and the sphere to coincide. Or in turn, this is the condition for the line to become tangent line to the sphere. And by eliminating this LMN, this is for any set of values of LMN. Eliminating LMN from 3 and 2, we get the equation of tangent plane. Understand? We have equation 2 and 3. Equation 2 is equation of the line, and this is the condition for the line to become tangent. Therefore, eliminating LMN from 2 and 3, we get equation of the, that is the locus of the tangent line. Locus of the tangent line is the tangent plane. Therefore, we eliminate LMN from 2 and 3. Eliminating LMN from 2 and 3, we get the tangent plane. Tangent plane at the point x1, y1, z1. Just a minute, I close that window because a heavy rain is there. Yeah. Now, eliminating LMN from 1, 2 and 3, we get locus of the tangent line, that is nothing but equation of the tangent plane. Finally, we arrived at the step. Now, how to eliminate LMN from 2 and 3? Say from 2, I place L as x minus x1 upon R. So, how to eliminate L? This L must be replaced by this. What is that? L is x minus x1 upon R. Therefore, x1 plus u into x minus x1 plus y1 plus v into, what is M? Y minus y1 upon R. Y minus y1. I simply substitute only y minus y1 because right hand side is 0, that R vanishes. Plus z1 plus w into, what is N? N is z minus z1. It is equal to 0. Now this is the equation of the tangent plane. It is the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere at the point x1, y1, z1. And we simplify this. We reduce this to a standard equation because that becomes a formula. Equation of the tangent plane is a formula. So I simplify like this. It is x1 plus y1 z1 plus ux plus vy plus wz is equal to ux1 vy1 plus wz1. Am I correct? xx1 yy1 zz1 plus ux vy wz is equal to ux1 plus vy1 minus I have transport vy1 wz1 plus x1 square y1 square z1 square. Now am I correct? Yes. xx1 yy1 zz1. We simplify this. This is the actually equation of the tangent plane to the sphere at the point x1 y1 z1. But we simplify further like this. Now I add ux1 vy1 wz1 plus d both sides to reduce this to a standard form. Add ux1 vy1 wz1 plus d both sides. What do you get? xx1 yy1 zz1 plus u into x plus x1 plus v into y plus y1 plus w into z plus z1 plus d, because in the right hand side we have added ux1 vy1 wz1 plus d. In the right hand side also we add that one, x1 square y1 square z1 square plus ux1 we have to add, therefore it becomes 2ux1, follow no, 2ux1 plus 2vy1, because 1 vy is already there, we add one more vy1 plus 2wz1 plus d. This step important. We have added ux1 vy1 wz1 plus d both sides. Now what is this? This is nothing but 0, because x1 y1 z1 lies on the sphere and this is equal to 0. Therefore, what is equation of the tangent plane? Equation of the tangent plane is, to the sphere at the point x1 y1 z1 is xx1 yy1 zz1 plus u into x plus x1 plus v into y plus y1 plus w into z plus z1 plus d is equal to 0. This is equation of the tangent plane to the sphere at the point x1 y1 z1. This is the derivation, and understand derivation important, because in the examination question may be like this: derive the equation for the tangent plane to the sphere. Standard equation will be given at the point x1 y1 z1. And what is the derivation now we have derived? We have taken a line passing through x1 y1 z1 first, and we have taken any arbitrary point on that line, and the value of r is obtained by substituting that arbitrary point in the equation of the sphere. That gives two values of r. We have obtained the quadratic equation. You go to that one, I explain again. You will get a quadratic equation in r that gives two values of r, but one value of r is 0. I explained that one. For the line to become tangent line, another value of r also must be 0. That gives the condition for the line to become tangent line. Then eliminating that LMN from that condition of tangency and equation of the line, we get equation of tangent plane. This is the equation of the tangent plane. Now you can easily remember this. xx1 yy1 zz1. Here not 2u, u is there, ux plus x1, vy plus y1, wz plus z1 plus d is 0. Examples are there on this topic. First I consider 2 marks problem, means directly to write the equation of the tangent. Then 5 marks problem are also there on this topic. First problem is, find the equation of the tangent plane. Find the equation of the tangent plane to the sphere into x square plus y square plus z square. See the equation of this sphere. 3 into x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z minus 22 is equal to 0 at the point 1, 2, 3 on it. 1, 2, 3 on it. Question is, find the equation of the tangent plane to this sphere at the point 1, 2, 3. Always remember this. To solve any problem on sphere, to apply any formula on the sphere, equation of the sphere must be in the standard form. That means coefficient of x square plus x square y square z square must be 1. Therefore, always to solve any problem on sphere, first equation of the sphere must be reduced to standard form. What do you mean by standard form? Coefficient of x square y square z square must be unity. So I divide by 3 first. X square plus y square plus z square minus 2 by 3x minus y minus 4 by 3z minus 22 by 3 is 0. Now this is the equation of the sphere. Standard form. What is u here? U is minus 1 by 3, v is minus half, w is minus 2 by 3, d is minus 22 by 3, because we require u, v, w, d to apply the formula. x1, y1, z1 is of course this is 1, 2, 3. But to apply the equation of the tangent plane, we require u, v, w and d. So I have written here first beginning u, v, w and d. Therefore, equation of the tangent plane is x into x1, y into y1, y1 is 2, z into z1, z1 is 3, plus u into x plus x1, plus v, y plus y1, plus w into z plus z1, plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of the tangent plane. This is a 2-mark question because direct substitution it is. But anyway, you have to remember the formula. What is the equation of the tangent plane? Now I simplify this. How to simplify? 2 and 3 are common here. LCM is, therefore I multiply by 6. 6x plus 12y plus 18z minus 2x minus 2 multiply by 6 minus 3y minus 6 minus, we have to multiply by 2 here, 4z minus 12 minus 44 is equal to 0. This numerical calculation you have to go through again. Some what I have done here? Multiply by 6, 3 into 2. Therefore, 4x plus 9y, 18 minus 4, 14z. What is the constant term? Minus 6, minus 20, minus 64 is equal to 0. I verify the answer here. 4x, 9y, 14z, minus 64 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent plane. I think the topic is clear. All have followed this one. First is derivation of equation of the tangent plane. First. Second, how to apply that equation of the tangent plane formula to the problems. Next problem is, take this. Show that the plane 2x minus 2y plus z plus 12 is equal to 0 touches the sphere x square plus y square z square minus 2x minus 4y plus 2z minus 3 is equal to 0, and also find the point of contact. Additional thing is that point of contact two parts are there. First is prove that plane touches the sphere. How do you prove that plane touches the sphere? This is the sphere and this is the plane. Plane touches the sphere means perpendicular distance from center of the sphere to the plane must be equal to radius of the sphere. Then plane touches the sphere. Now I find out that one. What is center of the sphere? Center of the sphere is 1 or 2 minus 1. And what is radius of the sphere? Radius of the sphere is square root of, what is the formula? Minus u minus v minus w. Minus u, it is 2u. Minus u minus v minus w. Radius is u square, v square, w square minus d. So what is this? Is it 3? Yes, radius is 3 and center is 1, 2 minus 1. And we require perpendicular from center of the sphere 1, 2 minus 1 to the plane. If it is same as radius, then the plane touches the sphere or it becomes tangent plane to the sphere. Now we find out that one. It is mod of 2 into 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 1 plus its value divided by square root of 4 plus 4 plus 1. What is the formula I have applied here? Perpendicular distance of a point from the plane. What is the formula? ax1 by1 plus cz1 plus d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. That is the formula. Now verify this. Minus 3, therefore 9 by 3. It is 3. See, these two are same. Perpendicular distance from a point or a sphere, center of the sphere to the plane is same as radius of the sphere. Therefore, the plane touches the sphere or it is the tangent plane. First part is over. What is the second part? Find the point of contact. This is the point of contact. What is this? 1, 2 minus 1. What is the equation of the plane? It is this. Now how to find out this point of contact? This point of contact is, it is the perpendicular distance from the center of the sphere to the plane. No, point of contact. Point of contact is, how to find out? It is foot of the perpendicular from center of the sphere to the plane. Foot of the perpendicular from center of the sphere to the plane. How do you find out? We find out first this equation. From C I take center, CP, equation of CP, equation of the perpendicular from 1, 2 minus 1 to the plane, to this plane. What is that? X minus 1 upon 2, y minus 2 by minus 2 is z plus 1 by 1. How to find the equation? These are the direction ratios, 2 minus 2, 1. Direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Direction ratios of normal to the plane means CP. Direction ratios are 2 minus 2, 1. It passes through 1, 2 minus 1. Which equation is used? X minus x1 upon L is y minus y1 upon m is z minus z1 upon n. Now suppose it is equal to r. It is r. Then x is equal to 2r plus 1 and y is equal to minus 2r plus 2. Z is equal to r minus 1. Now this is point P. But we have to find out r. To find r, this lies on the plane. Therefore 2 into 2r plus 1 minus 2 into minus 2r plus 2 plus r minus 1 plus value is equal to 0. We find out r from this and you simplify this, you get r is equal to, what is r? R is minus 1. Verify this. You have to simplify. R is minus 1 Now substitute this minus 1 in that, what is that? This here. Say, substitute R is minus 1 here, that becomes the point of contact, and minus 1 gives minus 1, point of contact is minus 1 plus 4 and minus 2. Minus 1, 4, minus 2 is the point of contact. Minus 1, 4, minus 2. Okay. I was a little bit hurry in finishing this problem, but I explained in detail very clearly. You go through the video again. If you have any difficulties, you can contact at any time. Okay, thank you.